Now we have to simplify this equation. Half of a minus 3 of b in a bracket, then 3b plus half a, then 1 by 4a square plus 9b square. Now if we see it minutely, we will see that these two terms in these two brackets, that is half a minus 3b and 3b plus half a, we have got these two terms same, only the sign is different in the middle. So what we can do for these two terms, we can apply this identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, only for these two. But for this, first of all, we need to interchange these two terms, because if there is plus sign in between the two terms, we can always interchange its position. So now what we have is half of a minus 3b, 3b plus half of a, then 1 by 4 a square plus 9b square. This is the equation that we have given. Now we can always interchange these two. Minus 3b over half a plus 3b. We have interchanged these two, and always remember that if there is a negative sign in between, then you have to change the sign of all the terms. It is possible. This case is possible only if there is a plus sign in between. And now this term is 1 by 4a square 9b square. Now we will apply a plus b into a minus b only for these two brackets. So using the identity, using the above identity, these two will become, I am putting the square bracket, minus 3b square, and this bracket will come as it is. So now this is 1 by 4 a square when we take the square, and now this is 9b square, 1 by 4 a square plus 9b square. Now again we will use the same identity, that is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. The only thing is that now we have 1 by 4 a square in place of a and 9b square in place of b. So this whole thing, that is 1 by 4 a square minus 9b square in a bracket, 1 by 4 a square plus 9b square in another bracket, this will become 1 by 4 a square the whole square minus 9b square the whole square, that is equal to 1 by 16 a raised to the power of 4 and 81b raised to the power of 4. That is your final answer.